Happy morning, students. Today we will learn how to draw perpendicular bisector of a segment using a compass. First we will draw segment because you have to draw a perpendicular bisector of a segment. So we will first draw segment and we will take length of the segment 8 centimeter, as you can see here. Here 0 to 8. So I have taken, and name of the segment also you have to give. Okay, we will give here AB is our segment and the length of the segment is 8 centimeter. Now you have to draw a perpendicular bisector to the given segment. So first step will be draw the segment, we have completed. Then you have to place the compass point. Now here, see here. This is the compass point. This point you have to place at point A, and you have to take the distance greater than half the length of segment AB. Half the length of segment AB means what? See here. If I am placing it here, half of 8 is 4 centimeter. Okay, if it is 4 centimeter, more than half I have to take. Greater than half the length means more than half I have to take. So I can take 5 centimeter, I can take 5.5, 6. Okay, till there you can take. So just I am going to show it to you. Here I am placing it. I'll take 5 centimeter plus 1. Okay, more greater than half, more than half. And I have to place the compass point here at 8, and I have taken the distance greater than half the length of segment AB, and I have to draw arc like this. Arc I have to draw. One arc I have to draw above segment AB, and one arc I have to draw below segment AB. Follow this. Now what I have to do? Same procedure I have to follow. I should place the compass point here at point B, and I have to draw the arc intersecting the previous arc. So now see here, as I am drawing, it is not exactly intersecting. It has touched here. So what I will do now, again here also I will draw the arc. Okay, now here what has happened? I have to extend this arc now. I'll place it here and I will extend this arc. And the point of intersection of these two arcs, this point, and here point of intersection of this arc, this we have to join. And when we are joining these 2 points, the line which we are drawing, this line is called as the perpendicular bisector. We can give name here point P and point Q. This also we can extend a bit, but we have got it here. So here, now what you have to do now is check at this point what is happening here. See, I'm placing it here and you can see this is 0 to exactly 4 centimeter we are getting here. I'll just give some name here, M. So length of AM, what we are getting? 4 centimeter. Now from M I will check now. Now M to this point B, what is the length you can check? It is, see here, exactly 4 centimeter. So length of MB is also 4 centimeter. So I'll write it down. Length of AM is equal to 4 centimeter and length of MB is equal to 4 centimeter. It means these two, length of AM is equal to length of MB. If length of AM is equal to length of MB, then what will be point M called as? It will be the midpoint of segment AB. So if you want to find the midpoint of segment AB, what is the method? You have to draw perpendicular bisector. And the method of drawing a perpendicular bisector I have shown. So we can write the final conclusion. Line PQ is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now why it is called perpendicular, meaning I already told you, making an angle of 90 degree. See here, you can check 90-degree angle is formed. See, I am just placing it like this. See here, 90-degree angle is formed. So here the angle formed is 90 degree. Here also same thing, 90. Here also 90. And each angle is a right angle. And this point M is the midpoint of segment AB. So, line PQ is called as the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means it will make an angle of 90 degree, and also it is going to pass through the midpoint of segment AB. This you should understand. The meaning should be understood. What is a perpendicular bisector? It will make an angle of 90 degree and it will pass through the midpoint of segment AB. Now, why did I explain you all this? Because to draw a median, the concept of median is we have to find out the midpoint. And to find the midpoint, we will have to draw perpendicular bisector by using a compass. So I have revised this concept from your 6th standard textbook. So finally, you should understand the meaning of it. So this point I have written, line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So point M is the midpoint of segment AB, which we have found out. And length of AM is equal to length of MB is 4 centimeter. And each angle is a right angle. So how it is a right angle? Because it measures 90 degree. Each angle is a right angle.